Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba. Many people use an online streaming service to watch their favorite content, and thanks to connected TVs, there's a new way of lead generating advertising. Lead generation through connected TV ads helps your business grow because you market your business and products to an audience that may have been unreachable before. Connected TV advertising varies from regular cable television because the campaign lives on a streaming service, which tends to be more niche. Introducing products to a desired audience in a cost-effective manner is most, if not all, business owners' goals. Connected TV ads are relatively inexpensive. You work within your budget to find the options for connected TV ads that work best for you. Using connected TV ads as a paid media channel, you can reach a wider audience. If a person is watching a show and your ad pops up, then the audience either recognizes your business or product or experiences them for the first time. Both engagements are good because watching your ad could push them to reach out or even grow your client base. While it's important to expand your audience, it's also beneficial to target your audience accordingly to get the most attention possible with the ad. Having the right placement type and time for your ad allows your ad to engage with attractive leads. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.